5 amazing uses of Epsom salt for your health and wellness. Epsom salts are a type of mineral salt that is made up of magnesium and sulfate. They are found on the earth and can be used for many different purposes. Epsom salts have been used for hundreds of years in various types of rituals, ceremonies, and treatments. The use of Epsom salt began to take off when people started to realize all the health benefits it provides. It is now being used in many different ways, including as a bath additive, as a skin lotion, and in foot soaks. 1. Epsom salts can help cure acne. The word acne comes from the Greek word acne, which means the highest point of development. Acne is a skin condition that affects people of all ages, but it most commonly appears during puberty or in young adults. Epsom salts are a natural remedy for many ailments and skin conditions, including acne. Epsom salt is a mineral compound with magnesium and sulfate as its main components. It is made up of large crystals that dissolve easily in water and are not harmful to the skin. Magnesium sulfate can help regulate sebum production by reducing inflammation and controlling oil glands. The sebum production reduction leads to fewer clogged pores, which means fewer breakouts occurring on your skin. 2. Epsom salts can help relieve muscle soreness and aches. Epsom salts are a natural mineral compound that can be used as an alternative treatment for muscle soreness and aches. Epsom salt baths have been shown to reduce pain, inflammation, and muscle spasm by drawing the water into the skin. This is due to Epsom salt's ability to increase the skin's hydration levels, which in turn reduces muscle tension. Epsom salt also helps soothe muscles by reducing nerve endings that cause discomfort. It also has a detoxifying effect on the body, which helps relieve soreness and aches from exercise or other physical activity. 3. Epsom salt is beneficial for your skin. Epsom salt is a popular home remedy for many skin problems. It has been used for centuries to reduce inflammation, relieve pain, and heal wounds. Epsom salt can be applied topically to help soothe your skin and reduce the appearance of redness. It can also be mixed with a carrier oil like coconut to form an excellent massage oil. 4. Epsom salt contains natural remedy for hangover or alcohol withdrawal symptoms. Epsom salt is a mineral compound that is formed by the combination of magnesium and sulfate. Epsom salt has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for many ailments, including inflammation, muscle pain, and even constipation. Epsom salt also contains a natural remedy for a hangover or alcohol withdrawal symptoms. The salt can be ingested to help reduce the symptoms of these two types of withdrawal. 5. Epsom salt baths can cure stress and anxiety. Epsom salt baths are a great way to alleviate stress and anxiety. They are also known as magnesium baths or magnesium sulfate baths. They can be used for many purposes, such as reducing pain, relaxing the muscles, cleansing the skin, and even drawing toxins from the body.